Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe in your home. See, children, during this corona period, we are not allowed to go outside. So, my dear children, study well from your home by using this virtual classroom, that is online classroom. I am Jaypriya, your maths teacher. See, children, do you know which topic we are going to study today? Your second chapter. What's the name of it? Yes, addition and subtraction. See, the term addition we were already studied in your third standard. Do you remember it? Okay, now let's revise the addition facts. See children, do you know the terms used for numbers in addition? Yes, the numbers that we add are called addend. The numbers that we add are called addend, and the answer we get after adding the numbers is called sum. Now we have one example. 235 plus 341 equals 576. In this example, 235 and 341 are addends, and the answer 576 is sum. Clear? Now let us revise the properties of addition. Mainly three properties of addition. First one, order property of addition. Second one, grouping property of addition. Third one, zero property of addition. Now let's start with the first property of addition, that is order property of addition. Let us take the numbers 182 and 316. When we add these two numbers, we get the sum 498. Okay, now let us change the order of numbers. Okay, that is 316 plus 182 equals 498. That means changing the order of addends does not change the sum. That one is called order property of addition. Okay. Second one is grouping property of addition. See the example 40 plus 50 plus 20. So let's add 40 plus 50. Then we get 90. Then we can add 20 to 90. So we get the sum as 110. Now let's check what will happen when we add 50 plus 20 at first. When we add 50 and 20, we get 70. Then add 40 to 70. That is 40 plus 70 equals 110. That means when adding three numbers, we can add any two numbers at first. This one is called grouping property of addition. Next one is zero property of addition. Do you know what is zero property of addition? See, when we add 0 to any number, the answer will be the non-zero number. That one is called zero property of addition. Here we have one example. Let us take the number 315 and 0. If we add 315 to 0, we get the sum 315. And even if we add 0 to 315, we get the same answer 315. That means when 0 is one of the addend, then sum is equal to the non-zero addends. This one is called zero property of addition. Now I hope you all can refresh the topics that you were already studying in last year. Here I am giving some questions. Okay, so try to do along with me. See children, each question carries 1 point. Clear? Now let's see how many of you can score full marks. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, then how many marks you scored? Full marks. Very good. I know you all will score full marks. Okay, you all are very good and brilliant children. Then see you next section with a new topic, that is addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay children, take care. Bye.